E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream.
Are you sure? Yes, yes, yes. Are you sure? Open your mouth.
J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for parrot.
तोता हूँ मैं तोता हूँ हरे रंग का होता
Q for quill. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella.
बारिश बारिश जाओ ना और किसी दिन आओ ना
V for violin.
My lips hum a lovely song the bow rubs
W for watermelon. X for xylophone.
Xylophone.